Hey guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the Clorox wands where it is on the case. Why I love it? You have this wand, obviously, and inside is perfect. You can keep and store the extra Clorox wand sections. The little wipes themselves, I have a couple, so it can hold a full 2 of these. So as you can see, I use it regularly. And this is fantastic to put into your bathroom, safely sit it here. I keep it underneath the sink, and then that way it's convenient, it's set up. I can take it out and get it as I want. It's not hidden in the closet someplace. It looks nice. It's not overly big. Take it out, get your wand, pop this open and stick them on, and then you're all good. So I definitely say this is a convenient way to store not only the wand, but the extra discs on hand. That way you don't have to worry about one thing is one place, another thing is another place, and it looks fine. It looks fine in your bathroom.